Please excuse how disgusting I look right now. It's a little hot. But at the end of the last video, I mentioned I was going to do some welding. And I am. On the hottest day of the year. This is basically what I started with. This stuff here is half-inch square. I believe it's 10-foot lengths. And I've cut it up into, what, 1, 2, 3, 5 2-foot lengths, 4 1-foot lengths that I've then put in the forge and bent in a rough half circle. And better lighting. It's very hot. Now I'm welding them all together. I've already got one piece done. That's what it looks like. That's obviously not the 100% finished product, but that's part of it. So I'll weld some more pieces up and I'll show you as I go. I'd show you the welding, but I've heard from a few people different things about welding can affect cameras, can burn the sensor, so I'm not going to bother. I don't want to, even if there's no logic behind that, I don't want to chance it. So I'm going to turn this off and I'll show you some more pieces when they're finished. Alright, I have the major components tack welded together. I'll get in the way of the light here. We've got 2 of these guys with the loops on the bottom. 1 straight bar. And this guy, 2 loops on the end, with the straight bar in the middle. Now, just got to put them all together. And there it is. I don't know if I can get a decent picture of it. Yeah, it's not bad. Obviously the welds need to be cleaned up. They're a little ragged. But other than that, looks pretty good. It is a little cockeyed. You can see it wobbles just a little. And that's an easy enough fix. Once I get the welds completely finished, cleaned up, I can bend it a little bit back into place without breaking them. But I'm exhausted. It's not hard work, but it is hard work when it's like 38 degrees outside. So I'm done. Wow, that's really a mess. And that's not any better. Oh well, you guys have yourselves a good day.